This video assignment is a brief overview on the topic Computer Networks by Uzma Hussain. What is computer network? It is a group of computers linked to each other which makes possible their communication, hence sharing resources, data, applications, etc. And why do we need computer networks? Well, if 150 years ago we were to send a letter from London to Las Vegas, it would have taken at least 2 to 3 weeks. Today, that email takes a fraction of a second. Computer networks make it possible for the modern world to move at the speed of light. Computer networks first came into the picture in the 1950s, which were used within organizations to facilitate the exchange of information between people and companies. This was faster and more reliable than having a person take a roll of magnetic tape from one corner of a building to another. Another benefit was the sharing of physical resources, wherein multiple computers could be attached to the same printer or scanner, etc. This can also be called as LAN or local area network, which can be as small as 2 computers in a room or as big as a university with thousands of computers. For devices connected to each other for personal use in a 10-meter range, the type of network is known as PAN or Personal Area Network. A larger geographical area connected by multiple LANs or local area networks is known as MAN, that is, Metropolitan Area Network. Government agencies use MAN to connect their cities and private industries. For networks extending over states and countries, Wide Area Network or WAN is used. Internet and telephone lines are examples of this network. Turning to the design of these networks, also known as network topology, there are several types, but before we dive into that, we must know, why do we need topologies? Topologies are instrumental in reducing operational and maintenance cost, as every task requires differently structured connections. The different types of topologies are bus topology, ring topology, star topology, tree topology, and mesh topology. Bus topology is designed in such a way that each node is connected to the backbone cable. To send a message over the network, a node, that is a computer unit, puts it over the cable and all the stations receive it. It uses low-cost cable and has moderate data speeds but requires extensive cabling. Next is ring topology, which is the same as bus topology but with its ends connected. In this type of topology, data flows only in one direction. It has low installation cost, but at the same time, the working is slow. In star topology, every node is connected to a central hub, switch, or computer known as server. This is one of the most common or popular form of network design. It is easily expandable, but if the server fails, everything fails. Next is tree topology, which combines both star and bus topologies. Here, all computers are connected in a hierarchical manner, with the topmost as the server or root node and others as descendants. It is called tree topology as its structure resembles a tree. It is easily expandable but is also very expensive. The last topic for discussion is mesh topology, in which computers are connected to each other through various redundant connections, making multiple paths from one computer to another. It is highly reliable but not speedy due to the redundant connections between all of the computers. With this video comes to an end. I hope you learned something about computer networks, their types, why we need them, and how they make our lives so much easier than what they were before.